and that we seemed to come together because of a battle that each of us was fighting within himself.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back for another episode. Today, as you can see, I have my Gx470 Lexus 2004 blue with a couple of minor issues and here and there, but this is gonna be our off-road build. Finally, I've been wanting to do this for a while. I have, as you can see, full table of parts. I've been stacking them for a while. This build supposed to be started probably 3 months ago, but never did. But now here we go. So let's start with the car. It's not the perfect one, but I'll make it perfect. It needs a lot of work. So I did a mistake. I purchased in the winter. Never purchased cars in the winter except from brand new cars, since it has a lot of problems. By problem, I mean rust. It's a Chicago car, but that's not an issue. We'll get it done. So we'll start from wheels. As you can see, I have a Kansei Roku. It's 6-spoke. It's pretty good, affordable, and we got beefy off-road tires. As you can see, I have 5, not 4, but 5, because we'll be running one in the back. This is our Jw-Offroad or Ju or something off-road. We have a tire carrier in the back with a bunch of with the license plate mount with the LEDs and stuff. And then we have a roof rack. This is a huge roof rack. This is also from them. And then we have this LED corner light brackets that goes on the hood. Basically, it's gonna sit like this on the hood, and then you can place your LED in there. And this is the LED. So we have one LED bar on the roof. We got 2. It's gonna be going on the side of the rack. Basically, I want a 4, but I got 2 for now, so I'll get 2 later. And then I got 2 for the hood. So basically, it's gonna be sitting on the 2 corners. So I got these 2090 Lemons from Harbor Freight, 3-inch. They're pretty good. And then we got this beautiful Lexus grill with a bunch of markers. And then going on next, we have a bunch of valve cover, gaskets, and all that crap. And then we got, what is this? We got Lexus thermostat. We got Lexus OEM spark plugs. Then this is my favorite aux power controller. So basically, this is controls all my LEDs. So as you can see, I have 8 buttons. They give you stickers. So basically, it's gonna make my life easier, nice and clean. So it has all the fuses and stuff. So we'll come back later on this one. It's gonna be time to install. And then we got wheel bearings, we got speakers, we got a tensioner kit, basically, and then we got a new radio, we got more speakers. This is some wiring, more LEDs. This is, I'm not sure what is that. I think that's a timing kit or water pump kit, something like that. And then we got 4 rotors. And then last but not least, I have this, whatever you call, basically goes on the roof and then basically comes out, and it's gonna be tent. So here you go, tent. Basically, you can call that. I will install that. You're gonna see later. So pretty much that's all the parts for now. I will have more parts coming in, and it's hot. So first, what we're gonna be working on, we're gonna work on the front. We'll install the grill because that's the basically first thing you're gonna see, the grill. So we'll work on the grill. I'm gonna install the grill. The wiring, well, I'm do the wiring all the way at the end because I have a lot of wiring to do with the LED bars and stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and install the front grill. I'm gonna clean up my headlights. They're pretty gross, so I'm gonna do that, and then we'll move on later. So let me do that and I'll show you guys. Alright, as you can see, we installed the front grille. Also, I cleaned up one of the headlights. And now we start working on the roof. Moved one of the things on the roof. Here you go. Pretty dirty. I have to remove that too. So yeah. Once I'll remove this one, I'll remove the other one. And then we'll start working on putting on the roof rack. Once I finish with that, I'll show you guys the result. On. Looks pretty good. I think the slots for LEDs, you can put LEDs in there, something like that. Looks pretty good and solid, really solid. Like I can lay it down, stay on top of it, should be fine. So now what we got left is this huge LED bar. So I want to kind of see if it's the correct size because I didn't check the width, so I just got the biggest one they had. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it, and then actually let's do this one first. So this is our tent, so let's see if I can mount that on the side. So first I have to move this pile of wheels and tires, so, and then we'll try to put that thing on the side. It was pretty easy. I had an existing hole, so I just had to make it bigger. I just bolted in the 3 spots. It looks all right. We just need to test drive it. Hopefully it will hold it. It's not gonna flop around, it's not gonna fly away. If it's gonna be too much flopping like that, I'm gonna just put a bit of straps in there. It already has the straps in there, but I'll make it bigger. So now we're gonna go ahead and test fit our light bar. Excuse my mess. So for the wiring, I'll be using this aux beam. I got it from Amazon. I'll put a link in description. It's about $170, but I think it's worth the managing all the LEDs that I have on the car. So I have the front LED bar, I have the side ones, and then 2 more on the side. So I'm gonna use 3 of them, and then later on whenever I add it, I can also put it. So they will give you with the stickers. So basically all the light bars, light cubes, roof, rear, backup, all of the stuff, and then also instructions. This is a controller, so it's gonna go inside the car. Then this is the switch assembly. So basically positive ground. So basically it comes from the LED to this, and then there's a positive, there's a ground, will connect to the battery, and this is gonna connect to the switch, the key switch, ignition switch, and then this is gonna connect to controller. Pretty easy. And then here you go, they give you cables with the fuse in there inside, extra fuses, everything you need, extra cables. So I'm gonna go ahead and install these guys. I'll show you. Switch assembly right here. It's not pretty, but it does the job. I run the cube lights or side lights, whatever you call. I already connected on the second button. First button is going to be the top light, and the third one is going to be the ones on the side. Yeah, I installed the side ones too. I installed the positive and then feed it through fuse. And then now I am running the wires for the front and two side lights. Basically I made a hole on the roof and then running through interior. I'm gonna run it through all of the interior. I'm gonna run it through the engine bay, and here's the remote basically. So I install it here. Here you go, and nice and sturdy. So I'm gonna go ahead and run the wires to that connector. Once I'm connected with everything, I will turn it on and show you guys, and then we're gonna install the wheels, and that's gonna be it for this episode. All the rest is gonna be on the second episode. It's already pretty long episode, so hopefully you guys like it. So yeah, let's get to work. Alright, finally we are finished with our first episode of Overland Lexus build. Let's go ahead and walk through what we did so far. As you can see, the first thing catches your eyes, I can't say wheels with the mud claw tires. So we installed the 4 tires, 4 wheels, and I cut the bumper. Then next thing we did was this custom Lexus logo grill with Raptor lights, LED lights. Clean up the headlights. As you can see, the car is still dirty. I didn't get a chance to wash it. Then we got the cube lights, there you go, on the both sides. Then we got this LED bar from Harbor Freight. These are 2 from Harbor Freight. And then we got the side ones. These are pretty good too, pretty bright. Let me tell you that. For the price I paid from Harbor Freight, dude, that thing is fire. Then we got this Jw-Offroad roof rack. Pretty good, solid, really good quality roof rack. And then I put this LED bar on there. I wanted to put it on the top, but it looks way too big, tall, so I put it a little bit on the bottom. Then let's move this side. Then we got the bike rack. And then we got this tent from Amazon. I never opened it. I'm gonna check right now. So pretty much that's it. The most time it took me was the wiring. Then we come to interior. Here's our controller. So basically it controls 8 different things, but I got hooked up only 3. There's a light bar, light cube, the side ones, one on roof, and then I didn't have another side sticker, so I put a roof on the other side. I'm gonna put it on the other side, hopefully. So let's see, let's line them up. Light bar, boom, boom, boom. All the 3 of them. Yeah. The side ones, the cube, and the light bar. So here we go, guys. I hope you guys like it. Please like and subscribe if you like this more content like that. We'll do more content like that. Second episode, we're gonna do more stuff on it. But if you guys like this kind of content, we have 4Runner coming up soon. We might work on the 4Runner, so we'll see. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.